What do you think?
Come here, bitch.
I don't know what her problem is, but she's not happy right now.
It's not got her. Jesus Christ, Sid.
Huh?
It's not got her.
I don't think she'd understand.
Well, it's not her own, so she does.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want you totally encircling my neck.
You going body on me, are you?
She hits at you too?
No. Oh, don't look this way. I'm changing hands.
We're all visually handicapped. Hey, I got a video camera. Look at that.
And the video camera's eye works. What's with you? Huh? What are you snapping at your daddy for? Hmm?
Because she's on her period this month. That's why she ate so much.
Alright, I'll put you back before I put them out.
They're dressed.
Yay. Nah.